Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of How to Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to fix if your WhatsApp is not downloading files into your computer. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Mostly the internet connection might be the cause of the problem because this kind of issues happens whenever your internet connection doesn't work properly. And the second reason might be that you have disabled downloads into your WhatsApp. In order to fix the second issue, just simply open the WhatsApp into here, and after that you have to go into settings by tapping into this gear icon. And after that you will find this storage option into here. Simply click into that storage option and you will get this automatic download section. Into here you just simply have to tick all four boxes, or you can also select which you want to download, and then your files will be downloaded from your WhatsApp into your computer. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.